Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, legends. How you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing right. I hope you're doing awesome this beautiful day. Just amazing. Just beautiful day, this awesome day, and this amazing day. Welcome back to the Moez Show, and welcome back to your host, Moez Fawaz. And today is a beautiful day, and today we're gonna review a product called TrafficCrush. TrafficCrush. So basically, this review is made late. It was supposed to be done a few days ago. Unfortunately, as you know, tight schedule, tight everything, and tight everything. Okay, so without further ado, let's check it out. Let's check out TrafficCrush, and TrafficCrush is basically is a traffic app, a traffic software that will grab traffic from, I believe, Twitter, Instagram, and something else. Hold on, let me check it out. Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. So Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. I'll show you inside in a moment. So come in. Okay, so here you will see the bonus page, Moez bonus page, Moez incredible bonus bundle, and here you will see the bonuses will be taken off on Wednesday, January 27th at 11:59 p.m. So I would suggest that you should grab all, like, if you're interested in this product, the link is gonna be in the bottom in the description box, and also in the first comment and on YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're coming through my email, the link is gonna be attached in the email I sent to my customers or to my clients. So let's, like I said, let's jump in. So if you're interested in this product, you gotta grab it before Wednesday, January 27th, 11:59, before all bonuses go away. Okay, so let's go down. Okay, so that's one day. Let's go. You can check out the info and the details by yourself. Okay, I'll show you the upsells and the front end in a bit. But let's jump in, and you can check out also the demo video right here. I'm sorry, I'm just like I kind of tired, and it's been a busy month so far. That's why I haven't done any videos, and this review is basically the second or the third review that I do in January. So it wasn't that much, but like I said, I promised this year is gonna be mine. It's gonna be including a lot of review videos. My own products is gonna be launched, and a lot of value videos, free videos, free tutorials I'm gonna produce in the later weeks. Hold still, and like I said, everything is gonna come in time and in the perfect time. Okay, so let's continue on. Bonus number one. Let's jump into bonus number one. So bonus number one, TrafficCrush, is called a Traffic Authority Primer. So basically, I'm attaching every because this software is about traffic and about how to get traffic from Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. I'm also attaching extra courses, extra tutorials, extra bonuses that has to do with traffic. So basically, you're gonna get a traffic package of everything. So traffic package bonuses from me, and traffic package bonuses from the app software that you're gonna purchase right here. Okay, so Traffic Authority Primer. It's a tutorial video that will show you how to get traffic from authority sites, and it will teach you that from A to Z. So basically, I cannot give you a lot of information about it. You gotta check it out if you're interested. Like I said, purchase the product, and bonus is gonna be there for you to pick up. Okay. Bonus number two, value number two, TrafficCrush bonus tutorial, Instagram authority domination. Sorry. So basically, Instagram. So basically, this software is giving you access to traffic from Instagram, and this course will teach you also how to grab traffic from another different ways or different freestyle of traffic type. Traffic type. I lost my words. Traffic type ways to get traffic from Instagram. So basically, I'm just anyway. Sorry about that. Okay, so bonus number three. TrafficCrush, it's solo ads command authority. So basically, this course will teach you how to get solo ads, or this tutorial, this tutorial will teach you how to get traffic from solo ads. As you know, solo ads, it works and it doesn't work. So basically, in this course, we'll teach you how to get solo ads from good solo traffic seller, good solo traffic sellers, and we'll get you traffic that will convert, not just that. As you know, solo ads sometimes dead emails comes in as blasted to you, and sometimes the traffic that comes from these solo ads does not convert at all. So basically, this course will teach you how to do it the proper way. Okay. So bonus number four is CPA income domination. As you know, CPA is another way to bring traffic into your offer, and CPA is a good way to also to make money. So basically, this course will teach you how to make money with CPA and how to blast traffic from CPA to also your offers if you have external offers out there. Okay, outside of the vicinity of your services. Okay, so it's called the bonus number 4 is called CPA income domination. Okay. TrafficCrush bonus number 5. It's called traffic conception. Traffic conception is another traffic way, or another traffic type, traffic that will get you traffic, more proper traffic, more good traffic to blast your offer or to blast your services. Last but not least. Okay. So again, this is me right here, a beautiful face. And right here is infusion. Sorry, not infusion. The purchase details. So when you purchase the product, you're gonna arrive inside the Warrior Plus system. You're gonna see your product name, okay? The vendor, whomever sold you the product, your email, and the start date, of course, the sale date, and the price of the product, which I'm gonna show you right here. And then access your purchase. That's where you're gonna access the TrafficCrush from that green button. And the blue button, that's where you're gonna access my bonuses that's I'm providing right here. But make sure you get it before Wednesday of 27th, before 11:59, which is gonna be Thursday. The first minute of Thursday, the bonus is gonna be gone. So make sure you pick it up before that. Okay. So let's go check out the front end first. The TrafficCrush front end is $17. Okay. Okay, that's a mistake that I did. So TrafficCrush $17 right here. Okay, there is a downsell also. I'm going to show you how to get it. I think if you show, if you're moving, here we go. That's the sales page. If you move your mouse, I think you're going to get it. Hold on. Let me see. Let me reload that. I think either you're going to move it and you're going to get the bonus when you're going to try to exit, or it's a downsell. Okay, so basically 16. So yeah, so basically it was $17, 16 now, 16.93, and I think there is a downsell on that. Downsell is, as I seen here, downsell is $15. So basically it's not some services or some product that when you move the mouse and you try to exit, they're gonna give you the rebate right there. But he's actually giving you the downsell right if you're not interested. I think the downsell inside the product when you purchase. Okay, so that's TrafficCrush. That's front end. Okay, so OTO number 1, TrafficCrush Pro Unlimited Edition is $37 and 27 downsell. 27 downsell. If you're not you can save up a few bucks if you're trying to exit and you say you're not interested. He's gonna give it to you for $10 less. Okay, so TrafficCrush Pro Unlimited Edition, commercial and developer license, sell videos you create, sell IG accounts with followers built in, provide traffic services on Fiverr, sell SEO services. Okay, unlimited everything, accounts, videos, niches, done for you, images, finders, followers, post, and backlinks. Okay, Facebook and Google Pixel integration. Now I get traffic from both platforms also. Okay, so this is OTO number 1. OTO number 2 is TrafficCrush Enterprise Edition, $47 and a downsell of $37. You can check it out by yourself. And OTO number 3 is TrafficCrush Done For You Edition, Done For You Campaigns Edition for you, $39, $29 downsell. OTO number 4 is going to be TrafficCrush Reseller License Exclusive, $97 and a downsell of $67. Okay. And IMX Bundle Upgrade, $197 and a downsell of $97. So basically, IMX bundled upgrade is weekly in-depth 7-figure affiliate training, 4-time DOTD. I'm not sure what does that stand for. Winning cloud apps. Okay, I guess it's like the previous services or previous product that he created, and he's giving you that cloud app. I'm guessing. Okay, a new software to sell every week. Case studies into what works for us. Free software you need. Okay, and that's it. So this is OTO number 5. Let's jump into the sales page first, and then I'll show you inside the software right here. Okay, so the software, here we go. Okay, blast any link to millions of viewers in 30 seconds or less at a low one-time price. Brand new. Here you go. Brand new cloud traffic software creates, ranks, and blasts unlimited viral videos on YouTube. Let me make it smaller. It's huge. Unlimited YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter for free traffic and big commissions in minutes. Okay, so you can check out the videos. The video right here. Okay, let's pick up a pen. Let's get up this one, and let's get a yellow. Okay, so right here. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so create 100% unique viral videos on autopilot. 100% newbie friendly. Never record or edit any videos yourself. Include any links, affiliate offers. Instant publish on the website world hottest platform, including YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Get number one and trended using our secret proprietary rank algorithm. Sorry about that. Include done for you affiliate offers to promote. Build an autoresponsor, blast offers to millions, and send any link to any offers of millions, 2 millions with one click. 100% new friend, 100% newbie friendly, made for beginners, and no monthly fees. Double your money back guarantee, and support system, of course. Okay, let's continue here. Let's go. Okay, right, like I said, $17. TrafficCrush automates real buyers, traffic, and commissions in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1, log into our stunning cloud-based software. Step number 2, create your viral video and add affiliate link, of course. And step number 3, relax and TrafficCrush blast your videos and link to thousands of platforms, showing it to millions of real buyers and bring us 1,000 in commission regularly. Okay, so TrafficCrush is so good, results coming fast. Here you go. 92. You can check out that by yourself. 9,220 visitors in a single day. Massive 141K monthly audience. 500% increase in traffic. Okay, and the money, of course, that follows. Okay, so here you go. Art Flair, Dominic Adantijo, Atonji, and Venkata Ramana is reviewing the products, and you can check out that. Okay, monthly active 2 billion, 1 billion. You can check out the stats, and I believe he's giving you bonuses too. Let me check it out. I believe that's a small. Okay, so these are some of the samples he's gonna, the post that he's showing you how they're gonna blast it for you. And here's the demo video, which I attached to the bonus page also, and your very own video. So why you need to grab TrafficCrush right now is your very own video maker platform with built-in traffic, let you publish unlimited viral videos all over YouTube and social media. You don't need any previous experience. Viral videos, viral traffic, use our autoresponder to send any link to millions, even if you don't have a list. Impossible for your competitor to keep up. Done for you affiliate offers that pays $1,000 per sale are already included. Okay, and zero tech skills or experience needed. Finally, get both pieces of puzzle: high converting traffic and sales. Okay. So that's it. Okay, so basically automated inside, newbie friendly cloud, built-in distribution ranking system, deluxe social media lead finder. Okay, so all that. Hold on, let me change the pen. Let me do this. So done for. Wow, oh God. Okay. So here you go. Done for you product affiliate offers, ultimate link blaster, free traffic built-in autoresponder. Okay. Let's go check it out. It's gonna be again So built-in training to get 1,000 per month. Your personal social media manager, become a more next top influencer. Okay, so let's delete all that. And also and so much more. White glove support and mobile SEO friendly. And that's it. Yada yada yada. All that you can check out that by yourself, and that's it. That's all. So again, it's Radu, Mike McKay, and Kartik NP. Okay, so these are the creators. That's it. That's all for this. Okay, so let's check out this. Okay, yeah. So the software inside. So YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. I have the link for some reason. Okay, so for some reason. So these are this is what's inside the software, the help desk. Okay, so TrafficCrush demo, you can check it out. Yeah, Google API, that's all the tutorials you're gonna get. Google API key, YouTube audit report, YouTube tags, YouTube research, YouTube video creator, Instagram users, add account, Instagram messages, send messages, Instagram autopilot, Twitter, of course, Twitter, apply developer account, create Twitter app, add Twitter account, and create tweets, search tweets, automatic Twitter automation, Pixel API key, TrafficCrush editor, and link blocker. Okay, that's it. That's all. So YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, you can check it out. You can check out the software by yourself. Again, if you're interested, the link is going to be in the bottom of the video. Also in the first link, in the first comment. If you miss it, in the description box. And like I said, you have to pick it up before the Wednesday 27th, before 11:59. And that's it. That's all for today. Thank you again for hanging out with the Moez show. And thank you again for hanging out with your host, Moez Fawaz. Thank you again for being here. Enjoy your day. Have yourself an awesome day. Have yourself a beautiful day. Have yourself a great day. Be good, be awesome, be tremendous, and be the best version of your life today and every other day. Peace.